Welcome back to another backtesting session. This session I will be backtesting gold by visualizing the higher time frame and then looking for the confirmations on the smaller time frame. So before starting this simulation, I want to pick some random dates. Okay, random dates generator. I'm going to choose this gigacalculator.com because this is what I use. Okay. This time I will pick up the dates from starting from 2019 till 2023. Now, whatever dates those will be, I'm going to choose that. So 2019, it will be, let's do it 15 to from 15 February 2019 to 2023. Let's do it 11th and 30. Okay. I need 5 dates and I will pick up the date which will come on the third number. Now, I don't know which date I'm going to get on the third number. Which month that will be, which date will be, I don't know. I have no idea. So pick a random date. Okay, it's February 11, 2022. Let's do it February 11, 2022. Right here. Okay, wait. We can do one more thing. Can we paste it? No. No, we can't paste it. Okay, February 11, 2022. First right here 2022 to okay, February 11, 2022. Right here the GMT will be New York close, fixed 1000, standard, and M15. All set. Perfect. Let's start. Let's first do the setting. Okay, I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna load the template. Let's see. Okay, simulator. There you go. Easy. Okay, it's Friday. Okay, I will start from Monday. Okay, so I'll forward it and we'll move on to the next day because I want to do a simulation of one whole week. So come on. Okay, we are now at pre-London time, 8 o'clock. This is where the pre-London session starts. So let's open the calendar, turn off. Looking at the 4-hour. Looking at the 4-hour, it's very clear that this candle can wake up, then break the low and continue pushing down. Why? Because we have been moved a lot, so there's a very high chance that there's going to be some sort of retracement and then continuation. Looking at the daily time frame, yeah, daily is, it's like this kind of was a giant candle. So looking at the 4-hour, okay, it's bearish. We need some confirmations on the smaller time frame. This was the support. Price broke this support before. Now if I see some sort of a resistance forming there, then maybe I'll look for sells, or if I get a candle closure below this support, then I'll look for sells. Okay, and buys above this resistance. All right, stage is set. Speed it up a little bit and let's see what happens. Change the lots to risk, SLTP, and I think there's a very high chance price can go up and tap this level and then maybe continue pushing down. That's the idea, right? That's okay. 4-hour is just pushing down without creating a top wick. Okay, maybe it do we have a resistance forming here? Looking at the 4-hour, can we take a sell if this kind of breaks the low? I think yes. I think there is a very high chance. Let's slow it down a little bit. By the way, we have a new resistance forming here. If we do get a candle closure above this, we have clean range to the left, so then there's a very high chance it can go up. We'll see. We need a confirmation, some strong confirmation, right? Even I'm not that confident in this trade, I would say, because the price broke the support. There's a chance it should go up and retest that level, right? So it's just waiting. Okay, we are pushing down, but I'm not going to enter this trade because how much pips we have till this support? Just 6 pips, nothing. It's nothing. Speed it up. Okay, we are closing below support. No, okay, we are rejecting the support. So now it's inside this range. I need a candle closure on either side, above or below. Okay, and the candle closed weak, bearish. So we don't know what is going to happen. Okay, we are breaking below, looking at the 15-minute. Yeah, I need a closure, right? I need a closure below this support because market can reject this support anytime. It's been just 6-7 minutes since this candle started, so yeah. And even we are pushing down a lot, so there should be some sort of retracement and then continuation to the downside if the market has to go down, right? Market will never move straight. It will always retrace and then go. 15-minute candle closed with a rejection. Looking at the 30-minute. Okay, looking at the 4 hours rejecting, 1 hour, 30-minute. Can I take a buy right here and anticipating that price will go up to tap this level and then go down? Can I? I think there's a very high chance. Yeah, very high chance. Like, okay, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute. Or should I wait for the candle to close above this level? Let's just wait for the candle to close above that level. Okay, we are pushing up. 6 minutes left in this candle to close, and we are gonna close above or below. I don't know. 2 minutes left, 1 minute left, and candle closed within the no. Okay, it closed at the resistance, right? It closed at the resistance. 15-minute, 1 hour. If this candle wicks down, then breaks the high, I think there's a very high chance that we can take a buy. Okay, it wicked down. Now if it goes up and breaks the high right here, I'm going to enter the buy trade. If not, then just waiting. Okay, 40, stop. Slow it down a little bit. We have 4 minutes left in M15 candle to close. Three minutes left, and we are pushing down. M15 candle is gonna close in 1 minute. Okay, M15-minute candle closed with a rejection from the downside, but the candle closed weak body. So we'll see, you know, like, okay, right there. I'm gonna enter the trade, buy. SL will go under here, maybe take profit will go right there. Yeah, there's a very high chance that market can tap that level. We have 10 minutes left, and let's take a look at 15-minute. Yeah, it's just pushing down. Okay, SL hit, that's fine. Speed it up a little bit. Forward. Oh man, see this, like it's just whatever, right? Just went up, then go up, tap that level. Okay, things like this happens. Okay, it's totally normal. Let's forward the candle and move on to the next day. So it's Tuesday, 8 o'clock. Looking at the 4-hour, okay, we are pushing up. Yeah, like now the same thing, this candle should wick down and maybe then break the high and continue pushing up. Let's delete all these previous lines because we don't need them anymore. I always try to keep my charts clean. Okay, the same scenario. We have the same scenario. Okay, this is support, this is resistance. Looking at the 4-hour, looking at the 1-hour, 30-minute. So we'll see. Maybe, like, you know, the thing is, we have been pushing a lot to the upside. Then, like, see this, market went up, the 4-hour candles were continuously, you know, printing bullish, and then retracement, then went up, retracement, then this was some sort of a range, then went up a lot, retracement. So isn't there a chance that now we can get some sort of a retracement? I think there's a very high chance, but still we need some confirmation on the smaller time frame, right? Other than that, it's just waiting. Or if we do get a candle closure above this resistance, then maybe we can possibly go up. Who knows, right? Now it seems like, okay, this candle will break the high and push up, but the problem is the 4-hour candle started just now. It hasn't created a bottom wick, so we don't know what is going to happen. The chance is it should go down to at least create a bottom wick of the 4-hour and then continue pushing up, right? So speed it up a little bit. 12 minutes have passed. 15-minute candle is going to close with, okay, it closed weak bearish, so there's not really much information. It's just waiting. 21, 22. Will this candle close outside? No. Okay. 3 minutes left, 2 minutes left, 1 minute left. And the candle closed. Okay, let's just see, you know, like, I think if this candle breaks the low right here, we can catch those bottom wick of the 4-hour. Like, we have a rejection from the top. So let's just wait, right? Let's wait for some stronger confirmation before we enter the sell or, you know, buy. I like to see some retracement, to be very honest, right? because whenever a move like this happens, here's what can happen, right? This was previous resistance, price broke above, now it will range, right? Then it will come down, tap this level, and then it can go up, right? So that's the probability. But maybe if we can get closure above, then this thing can also happen, right? Let's just close this and let's start. We took one trade that was a losing trade. Okay, candle closed bullish. We are pushing up. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute. Stop. It's breaking the low right here. Looking at the 1 hour, the 1 hour candle is breaking the low of this previous candle. Looking at the 4 hour, the 4 hour turned bearish. Isn't there a chance that it can go down to create a bottom wick? So can we catch that bottom wick? Looking at the 1 hour, looking at the 30-minute. Can we? Looking at the 15-minute. By trusting 1 hour, right, like the stronger confirmation, if this candle has to go up, this candle should not have broke the low of this previous candle. Let's take a sell right here with 1% risk. Maybe take profit will go right here. Take a look. Okay, yeah, this is like, maybe I won't target this whole area, but I'm just placing my take profit, right? We'll see how the market presents, or I think this is a much better idea. Price can tap this level and then from here it can go up. This is the rough idea, right? I've entered the sell position, so let's see. No. We have 6 minutes left in this candle to close, and seems like it's okay. 1 minute left. Candle closed bearish. Now if this candle breaks the low right here, yeah, there is a chance that, you know, we can push down. Or if candle closes bullish, then I'm going to manage my risk, right? Because there's some sort of rejections here. So okay, we are pushing down. Very nice. The 15-minute candle is going to close in 3 minutes. We'll see how this candle closes. Okay, the price is moving so fast. That is amazing. 1 minute left, and 10 minutes left in this candle, in this 30-minute candle to close. 6 minutes left. Yeah, I think that idea is working, right? Price can tap maybe this level and then go up. So I'll stick to my plan. Okay, I'm not gonna manage any risk because I have to recover this loss, so that's why. So if it goes up, then maybe I'll manage my risk. If not, then, you know, I'm just gonna stick to this trade. Okay, maybe we went up just to create a top wick before moving down, and yes, okay, and we tapped the target. Wow, perfect, right? Let's just break down this trade. I was expecting retracement, because whenever move like this happens, there's always gonna be some sort of retracement, right? And this was the previous resistance, so I was like, okay, maybe price will touch this level, and we got a confirmation on the smaller time frame, right? Even this was, I could have entered another sell right here, but as I was already in the trade, so that's why I didn't execute it, right? Let's move on to the next day. Okay, wow, pushed further down. Man, what is happening? Yeah, price tapped this level. Now I think there's a chance it can go up. Yeah, there's a very high chance. Let's forward the candle and see what happens. Okay, shouldn't it go up from this point? No, it is not doing that. Yeah, or it will go down. The structure. Okay, anyway, let's move on to 8 o'clock, because we shouldn't care what happened in the middle of the night, right? Because that's when I don't trade, so I shouldn't care about what happened in the middle of the night. We should not think like, oh, I have missed the move. That's okay, right? Because I don't trade during that time, so that was not my trade. Okay, even this was another breakout type of thing. Okay, let's take a look at the 4 hour. We have a support forming here, or no, let's do it this. We had a support, candle broke below, next candle went up, retested, candle closed bearish. So looking at the daily candle retested this resistance area. This was the resistance, price broke above, came down, retested, but candle closed strong bearish. This candle maybe go up, then break the low. Looking at the 4 hour, I think we can go up. Well, that's the thought. That's the first vibe that I'm getting from the market, right? Because I was expecting previously that market will go up from this point. Okay, it didn't happen. I was expecting that market will go up from this price level, but it didn't happen. So maybe there's some deep retracement, and then maybe price will go up, because this is the new high that price created. So yeah, buys will be much stronger. Let's mark the ranges. This is some sort of support, looking at the 1 hour, 30-minute. And this is support, that is resistance. Let's just not think much about the higher time frame and wait for the confirmation on the smaller time frame, right? Because okay, it's 8 now. This is 8 o'clock. Okay, candle closed above, but the problem is 1 2 3 4. We have 4 consecutive bullish candles. So what's the probability that the 5th candle is going to go bullish? The probability is low. Why? Because market never moves a lot in one direction. It always retraces. We have to keep this thing in mind. So 15 minutes have passed. Okay, if this candle breaks the high, continue pushing up, perfect, that's okay. I want to see some sort of a retracement now, and then maybe I'll look for buys. Or here, okay, if one candle closes bearish, next candle breaks the high, or closes bullish, third candle breaks the high, that's the thing that can happen here, right? I have seen it a lot of times. Whenever, like this was the resistance, candle closed above, okay, there was no confirmation, so I didn't enter. But once the price taps the target, I have seen it a lot of times that before it continues pushing up, I see some sort of a bearish candle here, and then price moves in its direction if it has to go further up, right? It never goes straight. Yeah, sometimes it do, but if a candle closes bearish here, then there's a very high chance that the next candle is going to go up. Okay, we are breaking the high, pushing up. No way I'm going to enter the trade. Never. Candle closed bullish. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. No. I need a bearish candle on the 30-minute, because the confirmations on the smaller time frame are much weaker. Okay, yeah, it is what it is, right? There is nothing I could have done at this point. I need a retracement. I need a strong retracement, then support formed, and then take a buy. Okay, we are pushing down. Maybe now if the next candle closes here, okay, yeah. If this candle closes bearish, that's much better. No trade, no buy. I know that the moment I'll take a buy, the price will start retracement. I know this. So let's forward one candle and forward another candle. Okay, candle closed bearish. Can we take a buy? Looking at the 4 hour, 4 hour is pushing up. Can we take a buy? Looking at the daily, daily is pushing up from that level. I think yes. Now I think I can take a buy. Let's take a buy right here. Stop loss. How many minutes have passed since this candle started? Okay, it's been just few seconds, right? So let's take a buy. Stop loss will go under this previous candle. Take profit right there. Aiming for reward to risk. Okay, I'm gonna make $157 if price goes up. And yeah, the problem is this candle is breaking the high in its first few, even like in just 37 seconds, right? That's the problem. But you know, let's just not overthink it. Okay, we are pushing up. Very nice. The problem is these wicks, this wick. So I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna close. Let's close 90% here. Set stop loss to break even. Why? Because there's this rejection to the left. One rejection, two rejection, right? So I don't know whether price is going to continue pushing up. There is a chance, there is a very high chance, but there is still a chance also that it can go down. So now my trade is risk free and we are pushing up. Speed it up a little bit. Forward. Oh, we almost tapped the target, but you know, okay, I think now we are gonna, okay, I'm gonna close full here, no need to, you know, forward and okay. All right, now price should come back, retrace, and then go up. I'm not gonna enter the trade, but I'm just, okay, it never happened. Anyway, let's move on to the next day. At 8 o'clock, same time, first we'll take a look at the 4 hour, looking at the, let's delete all these previous analysis. It's very important to read all these previous zones. No need to put a lot of noise on the chart. Make the charts look cleaner. See, I don't use any indicator, nothing. It's just pure candle reading. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. Okay, looking at the 4 hour, it can wick down, then go up, tap this high, right? That was the idea that I talked about this whole thing when we were here, that we went down, maybe it's a deep retracement, price made a new high, it should go up to tap that level. What if I had held this trade? Okay, I would have lost this trade because it went down. So, but anyway, this was the idea, right? And now there's still some room for the price to go up till this area, 33 pips, but we'll see. We need some confirmations on the smaller time frame, and the candle has closed above. But the problem is that this 4 hour candle started just now, so there should be some retracement, some bottom wick. liquidity grab from the downside, and then continuation. We'll see. We are breaking the previous candle high, looking at the 1 hour, looking at the 4 hour. The problem is this candle started just now. If it candle goes up, it goes up. I'm not going to enter this trade. I want to see some deep bottom wick or some bearish candle structure like that, or some range here, right? Other than that, I'm just going to wait. Okay, we are pushing up, speed it up. Forward, forward. Okay, this is the problem, right? That's why I don't enter the trade when the 4 hour candle just started, right? Because like it's very normal thing for the 4 hour to create a bottom wicks. This candle has a bottom wick, this, right? All of the previous candle had made a bottom wick. So let's just stick to our plan. This is our support. If we do get a candle closure below this support, then I'll look for sells. Other than that, I'm gonna patiently wait and let the market do its thing. Slow it down a little bit, it's so fast. Yeah, now if this candle closes above, then obviously there's a very high chance. Let's forward the candle. See, we rejected from that area, from the same area previously. Okay, forward candle closed above, but there is some sort of rejection like this area. So we'll see if this candle breaks the high, and I look for buys, but maybe with a lower risk. It's been just 5 minutes since this candle started, and we are rejecting maybe from that same area from where the price rejected previously. 10 minutes have passed, 11 and 15 candle gonna close with rejection, is gonna close weak bullish, maybe bearish. Okay, let's just see. Okay, 15-minute candle closed weak bullish. There's nothing at this point that we can trade. Price is just stuck in this range. See, the candles are printing side by side. It's just a barcode like thing. So we need some strong confirmation before I say that okay, let's take a buy. We need some very strong confirmation. Okay, candle is gonna close bearish. We have 4 minutes left. 3, 2, 1 minute left, and the candle closed bearish back inside the range. Let's update this. This is our new resistance. Now we need a candle closure right here. I want to see some sort of structure like this, right? I want to see a candle closing like this. I don't want to see a candle closing like this. No, right? And 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It's been just 5 minutes since this candle started, so just waiting. 7. The most important thing in trading is waiting. Learning these technicals and all that, it's not that much of a deal. The main problem in trading comes when people don't wait. It's the patience, right? We have to wait for the market to show us something, to give us a strong confirmation. Like even I can enter the buy trade right now. by anticipating that okay, the 4-hour has some room to fill that go till this point. So what if I miss the move? But what if I enter the trade and price reject like these previous 4 candles rejected? So it's important to wait for some stronger confirmations before I say that okay, now it's the time to take a trade. Okay, 8 minutes left, 7 minutes left, 5 minutes left since okay, 4, 3, no, the candle rejected, there's nothing. Okay, 1 minute left and candle closed above resistance. Candle closed above resistance, but the problem is this candle closed with no top wick. So whenever the candle closes with no top wick, there's a very less chance that the next candle is going to go up, right? H1, yeah. Okay, maybe first I want to see some bottom wick, and then if this candle breaks the high, I'll enter the trade with a lower risk. Other than that, I'm going to wait because it's been just 27 seconds and it broke the high. That's how the candle started, you know. So just waiting. Okay, at that point, M15, take a look at the 15 minute. I'm not confident, I would say. Let's just wait for 5 minutes and then see. Yeah, that's a good wick. That's a good sign. Let's enter with 0.5 because this previous candle has made no top wick. So yeah, enter the buy trade. Stop loss will go right here. Take profit will be right there. Why I'm not seeing the risk to reward? Wait. Buy. Price can reject these levels. So it's important to keep this thing in mind. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are. That's the problem. No, okay. Okay, never mind. Whenever the candle, you know, okay, let's give our trade a second chance. Let's give our trade a second chance. Stop loss will go right here. Maybe take profit right there because now if the market has to go up, it will go up. Let's enter with 1% risk this time because now it seems like a good confirmation. Okay, we are pushing up. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. Yeah, we are crossing these wicks, so maybe, you know, price can tap that level easily. We are $126 in profit. Let's just wait for this candle to close and see how this candle closes. Oh, wow. Amazing. Take profit hit, right? I gave my trade a second chance and it worked, right? Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, there was some room for the price and it continued further up. Let's move on to the next day and take our last trade of the Friday. Man, see the move. Wow. Yeah, pull back. Okay, move on to Friday. And 8 o'clock. Okay, looking at the 4 hour closed bullish. Price went up, made a new high, came down, support form. Maybe this candle can wick down, then break the high and continue pushing up, right? But we'll wait for confirmation. This is the support. Let's just delete this. Looking at the 1 hour, 30-minute. This is support. And maybe this is some sort of a resistance, yeah. Now wait for the market to print something that we can then look for entries. 10 minutes left. Five minutes left and candle closed bearish. This is the strong support. That's resistance that I marked was on M15, because on M30 we did not have any resistance above the current market price, so I just used the smaller time frame. But now as we have this resistance forming on the 30 minutes, so yeah, if I get a candle closure above, then there's a very good possibility that we can go up. M15 candle is gonna close in 2 simulation minutes, 1 minute, and it closed bullish. Closed bullish. Let's take a look at M15. 15 closed bullish, 4 hour. Let's just wait here for the 30-minute candle to close, because I'm getting some sort of confirmations here, right? But the problem is the M15 is a smaller time frame and the confirmations we get on M15 are weaker than we get on the 30-minute, right? The 30-minute candle confirmations are much stronger. We have 3 minutes left, 2 minutes left, 1 minute left, and candle closed bullish above resistance. If this candle breaks the high, let's just slow it down. I will enter the trade, and no, okay, it broke the low of the previous candle. Maybe my idea about the 4 hour could be wrong. Maybe it has to go further down till this area and then go up, right? That can also happen. Yeah, like this candle can go down, maybe tap this zone and then go up. Possibly, yes, that could also happen. Or even I would say the chance of this happening is much higher than going up. But let's just not overthink much and stick to the 30-minute for confirmations, because this is the time frame on which we look for entry, so we need confirmation on this time frame. 4 hour candle is just to get the idea that where could the candles go. Okay, 4 hour candle. Can I forward the candle? Forward it. 1, 2. Okay, candle closed with a rejection. This is the new resistance formed. Now I need a candle closure above this resistance, and then I can take a buy. Speed it up. 5 minutes have just passed. 1 hour candle, yeah, it's just ranging, right? It's just stuck inside this range until we get some confirmation. Forward 1 candle, okay, and forward 2nd candle, still nothing. There are these wicks to the left hand side, so taking an impulse entry right here wouldn't be a good idea. So just wait for the candle to close. And okay, if I miss it, I miss it. That's fine. Forward, and candle closed bullish. It closed far away from the resistance, Now I want to see some bearish candle or some retracement and then take a buy. If that thing comes, okay, see this candle closed bearish. Now maybe this candle can come down and then break the high, or if this candle closes bullish, and then now I can maybe look for confirmation on the smaller time frame M15. Okay, we are tapping the previous resistance, which is now going to become a support. If we, okay, we are rejecting from this previous resistance. 15-minute candle closed bearish. It closed bearish. Now this candle can break the high of the previous candle and go up. Yeah, very high chance. 10 minutes left, 9 minutes left. No, right there. Got the 30-minute. I think we can look for buys right here. There's a very high chance. Let's take a buy right here. Take profit up over there. 30-minute. Yeah. Let's place it right there. Accept. And let's see what happens. We are pushing up. We have 4 minutes left in this candle to close, so let's see how the market behaves on the next 30-minute candle. Candle closed bullish. We're still good. Okay, we are pushing down, maybe to create a bottom wick. Maybe. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Yeah, it's just, it seems okay until now, but you know, M15 closed bearish. Let's do one thing. Let's close 50% here because candle closed against me. If right now, if this candle breaks the high right here, I will add my risk back. If not, then I don't want to lose full on this trade. Okay, it's just maybe. Okay, stopped out. Anyway, we'll give my trade a second chance maybe, right? If not, then I'm going to end this simulation session here. Speed it up a little bit. M15 closed bullish. We'll not focus on M15 for now. We'll focus on the 30-minute. Yeah, if I get a confirmation on the 30-minute, then yeah, I'll look for buys. Look at the 4-hour. Yeah, we are pushing up. It will go up. It was just a retracement, you know, I got caught in that retracement. 4 minutes left in this candle closure, and the candle is gonna close bullish. Okay, maybe I can take a buy right here. SL, take profit right there. Yeah, let's see how Okay, no, it's not working according the way I, it is just what. Looking at the 1 hour, yeah, it was, I would say, a very high probability for this candle to go up, but it didn't happen. Anyway, this was the simulation session of gold, right? Somehow I managed to make 3% in 1 week. Let's take a look at the stats. I entered 9 trades, out of which 4 were profit trades and 5 were losing trades. And let's see the graph. Okay, yeah, it was okay. I would say, like, sometimes most of the weeks, like out of most of the weeks, few of the weeks can be difficult like this. So yeah, close trades 9, and you can see the, by the way, the P&L right here, right? 99 loss, $300 profit, 72, 12, 51, right? So thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. Have a nice day to you.